Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discuss part 8 Laravel 12 middleware with multi role, and this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com, and this is a paid service. Number is available. Call and WhatsApp anytime 919941599815. This is a paid service, and this is any issue in this is any your website issue, so please contact anytime. In this 100% issue is a solve. Laravel coordinator and core PSP REST API, any issue to 100% is a solve. This number is a anytime call. And first of all, this my gem server already started Apache and MySQL, and this is already run localhost PSP. My admin inside this is a 12 underscore Laravel. In this is a database name. Inside this is available. Click this user table, and this is a table. Inside this is a is role field is available. This click the structure. In this is available 7 number is underscore role, and this is a multi role is available. 0 means user, 1 means admin, 2 means super admin, and this field is available. And this my project is available gem directory inside this htdoc directory, and this project is already open. This my Sublime text editor. Let's this project localhost Laravel underscore 11, and this is 100% is a working fine. Please wait. Laravel localhost Laravel underscore 12. This is a project name is available. 12 project name, and this is 100% working. Please wait. This is the first time is a login. And this is any doubt, so please contact this my official website errorsolutioncode.com. URL 12/24/7 WhatsApp, Telegram and Skype. And this is a lost of project is available successfully. This is a working fine. This is a working fine login. This is a login available. Register. Previous video is a registration is a implementation. This is a registration is a previous video is a implementation. This video is a middleware is a create. This is a 3 middleware is available. Super admin and user. Let's start step by step. First of all, this is open, and this is a bootstrap inside this is app.php. This is app.php, and this is a composer JSON file open, and this is a Laravel framework is a 12. This is the latest version, PSP version, this 8.2. all good. Let's inside this step by step. Middleware is a implementation. First of all, this is a use app folder. Inside this is a app folder. Inside this https. This is a folder is available. This folder inside this is a new folder is a create. This folder name is a middleware folder. This folder is not available. This is already included. This is the same name, copy, and this is a new folder is a create middleware. Successfully this is a folder is a create, and this folder inside this is a main name is available, super admin. This is a super admin middleware. Same name is a paste here. Successfully this is a super middleware, and this is a role wise available. This is a super admin. Next is a admin, and third is a user. The step by step implementation. The same name is a copy and paste here, and this is the next middleware is available, admin. This is a admin. Third is the last is a middleware is a user middleware. This is a user. This is a 3 middleware is a implementation. Let's this middleware inside this blank. Let's same first of all this super admin middleware, and this is a create new file and PSP. Successfully this middleware file is a create. Good working. Next file is a this file is a create PSP. Successfully 3, and last is a this user middleware. All good. Working fine. This 3 file is a create. All good. First of all, this is a middleware is a working fine. This 3 middleware is a create. This user means available, user means 0 is available, 0 means user. Let's click this structure. 0 means available user, 1 means available admin, 2 means available super admin. Let's this name is a copy and this is a is role. Let's inside this paste here, and this is a field name is available user field. This is a field name is a user. Please write down this only simple way. Let's open this. First of all, this is a 0 means user. This user middleware is a step by step write down. Let's PSP start. This is a two time is a created. This PSP is a start. Name paste. This is a name paste app HTTP, and this is a middleware. This is a middleware is a created. Good working. This is a middleware app HTTP and middleware. And this first of all, this is a use closer. Use is a closer, simple way closer. Next is a implementation request. Third is available. Fourth means fourth is available. This is a response. All good. This is a middleware is a clear. Let's class. This is the name is the implementation class, and same name is a copy user middleware, and this paste here working fine user middleware, and this is a close, start and close. Public function, and this is a handle means available handle. This is a code is a remove, and this is a request is available. This is a request, and this is a small request. Is equal to is a remove not use, and this is a this only inside this same name copy and paste here and $next, and this is a cancel, and this is a response. Same name is a response paste here. This working fine. This is a middleware. Let's if auth check. This is a field name is available. Same name is a copy. Field is role. Is role is a is equal to is role, and this is equal to this user middleware. In this is available 0. The same name is a 0 copy and paste here. Working fine. This is a 0. Next return dollar. Next is the same name copy and paste here, and this is the same name is a this dollar request. Close here. So successfully save. Let's inside this is a use, and this is the auth is the implementation. Same name copy auth and paste here. Successfully paste here, and this is a else, and this is a successfully else is a set, and this is a auth by default log out. This is a middleware is a set. Return redirect URL is a login URL is a already implementation URL, and this is a my URL is available web and set this PSP, and this is available login URL. Log out after same here login. Successfully login. This is app and else is a start, and this is a main part is a implementation. If auth check, and this is a start. Inside this is a start, and this is a close here. Inside this is a close here, and this is a else and working fine, and the same name is a copy and paste here. Successfully this is a first middleware is a create. All good. This is a middleware is a 100% is a implementation. Please write down. This is a middleware is a working fine. All good. Please write down step by step. Handle, and this is all successfully set. Please write down successfully, less my misstanding, successfully all implementation this first middleware. This is a user means 0. Second middleware is a control A. Copy this name is a control A copy. Second is a admin. In this is a paste here. Only simple paste here, not a extra. Save file. And this is a name is a sense. Second name is a available. This name is a available admin middleware. Same name is a admin. This is a admin middleware is a create. Only simple admin. And this is the admin middleware is a create. Same here, inside this admin is available one, not a extra, only one simple, as it is a working fine. This is the admin is available one. Let's next is this is a 2 is available, super is a blank. Same here, control A, copy this middleware and inside this paste here, and this simple is a 2. This is a 2 and inside this super admin. This middleware name is a super admin middleware. Successfully all implementation, super middle implementation, all good. Please write down first of all this middleware is a all good. Second middleware is this is a middleware and this only 1 sorry, and inside the super admin is the only 2, all good. This is a step by step open. This is a app-blade PSP. Inside this is a 3 middleware is a create, but inside this implementation hashtag. This is the same name is a copy. Dollar new variable is a create, and this is a alias, not a other. The simple alias is a create. Same name. And this is a super admin. This is alias is available super admin. And this is the same name is a this is a inside this available super and class. This first is a successfully create. Second is a only admin. And this is a inside this admin is available, and this is a class. And same name is a user, and this is a user middleware class. Same file successfully working is a file good working. This is a alias is a working good. This is the same name is a inside this is a included. Please write down this middleware. This is a all middleware is a create. This is multiple role wise is a middleware is a create. Please write down only, no other issue. Let's refresh this page and not a issue. This is a middleware. Okay, my misstanding in this is a small name is a create, not a big name. This is a main small m. This is a small m is available inside this small m. Save file and refresh this page. 100% is a working fine. This is my misstanding. This variable is a create, not a this name. All good, and this is already included inside this included, and this 100% is a successfully set, and this login file is a working fine and not a issue, and this 3 middleware is a create, and this is my official error solution channel, and this is inside this available my official website, Facebook, Instagram and GitHub. 3 follow is a follow anytime. Contact my website. Any doubt to please contact my website. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.